In this video, I will show you how to install a front seal into your manual transmission bearing retainer. First, flip your retainer over with the inside of it facing up. Place the seal into the retainer with the spring side facing up as well. Next, using a large socket, piece of metal or hard plastic roughly the diameter of the seal, gently tap on it to begin seating it into place. Once you feel it begin to seat, begin tapping in a circular manner around the outside diameter until it feels completely seated. Once you are satisfied the seal is in place, inspect seal to ensure outside seal casing is flush. If it appears flush and even, you have successfully installed the front seal.